Hey everyone, Nick here doing some homework after hours. Pretty crazy price action in the market. Luckily, we do homework and we make it less crazy. So I'm going to literally rewind the tape for us, and hopefully take about 3 minutes to explain where we are. I'm going to use the S&P because it's pretty wide, it's pretty liquid. For the last month, the bears have been in charge. But overall, if you consider years, the bulls are in charge clearly. So we're trying to see if this was a top that we saw on April Fools or not. You've heard me say we're looking for a top, signs of a top. We're looking for a change in behavior from buying dips to selling rips. I'm going to give you reference points that you've seen before. I literally rewound the tape to the early parts of April, the 9th. And if you remember talking about levels, I mentioned the X's. I said we're in the middle of the range. We're looking to see if the bulls can break out of the top X or the bears can break down below the lower X to continue this behavior of lower lows and lower highs, like a descending channel. Don't focus as much as what happened ticks wise. Just look at the ranges, their movements relative to the X. We dropped below it, we recovered it, and then we dropped below it. That was April 15th. We're approaching today. Today is the 24th. We had several green days that kind of were foiled, including today. Ran out of screen. So here we are, and the accomplishment of the bulls here would be to come up and see what they can do against this guy, the X that they lost. So let's see how they perform today. We closed on a sour note and we went lower after hours because of the meta reaction infected all the other ones down. I'm a fundamental trader, so I'm not asking you to forget the fundamentals. I'm asking you to infuse a lot of technicals, or at least commentary from somebody who knows charts. And we do know charts inside and out. The bulls are trying to recover the upper hand. And if they cannot make it above the X before they make it below this zone from last week, it's low. The top is looking pretty solid as being a top for a little bit here. Doesn't mean we get out of everything. It means that we have more downside before we start looking to catch every falling knife we see. So be picky with which stocks you decide to go long, because they may not be only trading on their own. They have to trade inside the stock market.